Once upon a time, there lived a brave young programmer named Eva. She had always been interested in computers and coding since she was a child. One day, Eva decided she wanted to learn more about JavaScript and its variables. She set out on an adventure to learn all she could. On her journey, she came across a wise old wizard who told her that variables in JavaScript are like containers. They can store different types of information like numbers, strings, and objects. For example, if Eva wanted to store her name in a variable, she would type let Eva name equal to Eva. Eva was excited to learn about variables and asked the wizard for more examples. The wizard showed her that she could also store numbers in a variable like this. Let Eva age equal to 10. Eva also learned that variables could be used to make calculations. For example, she could use the variables from earlier to find her age in 10 years. Let 10 years from now equal to Eva age plus 10. Eva was so excited about what she had learned that she wanted to share it with the world. She thanked the wizard and set off on her journey home. When Eva arrived home, she wrote down all of her new knowledge so she wouldn't forget. She shared her new knowledge with her friends and classmates so they too could learn how to use variables in JavaScript. At the end of the day, Eva felt proud of all the knowledge she had gained. She was happy that she had been able to help her friends and classmates learn new skills. Here's your assignment. Create a program in JavaScript that uses variables to calculate the cost of an item based on its price and a 15% discount. Good luck!